All right, moms, we're juggling, we're stressing, we're teaching, we're cooking, we're cleaning, we are doing it all, and we're feeling the stress. And when we're under pressure, it seems our patience is a little shorter than normal. Be careful with that short patience level and your outlook, your mindset. We're quick to get negative and snap, but how does that impact your kid? I'm Laura Kraft, and this is Real Mom Life Hacks coming to you talking about mommy survival tips and so many other fun things. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more tips such as this. Okay, so let's get started. Let's talk about the environment that you're creating and whether or not you are filling the bucket for yourself and for your family, or if you are emptying that bucket out. There is a book, How Full Is Your Bucket?, that talks about the workplace and how people who work at jobs where they're not happy is due to how they are treated, if they receive recognition, and who they are surrounded by. If they're surrounded by negative people or a negative boss, they don't like to go and work, they don't produce as much work as they should, and they just overall are stressed, they're unhealthy, so many problems it leads to for hearts and such, okay? So think of it, now that we're homeschooling and a lot of us are working from home, the work environment is your home. And maybe most of the time it has been a positive environment, but now you have all these new eggs in the basket and everything's different and you're figuring it out and you're on Zooms, you're doing this and that, and your stress level is here. Please make sure that you and your family are finding a way to fill each other's buckets and stay positive, even when things get difficult. Also, allow time for you to be frustrated and to just work things through, because your feelings and emotions are normal, they're healthy, and your kids need to see that, as long as it's not at their expense or yours. Sit down as a family and talk about, number one, what makes you feel good? I know that our oldest daughter loves hugs. She loves getting hugs. She loves that attention. She loves recognition. And so for her, it's important for us to praise and recognize what she's doing, that she's working hard and what she's doing right. Our second also really loves touch. She loves being creative. She loves hugging and dancing and knowing that it's okay if she makes a mistake, okay? So sit down with your kids and with your spouse and even yourself and just talk together about what makes you feel good. Talk about what also doesn't feel good. What makes you really sad? What makes you lose your patience? What makes you really frustrated? Talk about it as a family and put together a plan and how you can fill the bucket and keep it a positive, happy environment, and ways to avoid taking away from the bucket. I know with my husband, when he fills my bucket, I'm willing to fill his bucket with all sorts of love and praise and the things that he needs. I know he needs the praise and recognition. I know he needs it. And so I've got to give that to him. As a whole family, in your work environment now, find ways to fill each other's buckets. How you respond to this difficult time, they are going to mirror. Why not take this an opportunity to really come closer as a family and to strengthen your relationship? So that is your tip. Sit down together as your family, write it down. Let your oldest write it down. If they can write, let them write it out. Make a poster, put it in your house. If you can't, if you want to, you can print it out. You can post it, but have it somewhere where you guys can see it. Make reminders. You can make a craft out of it, and each person gets to paint or draw what makes them feel good as reminders. There you have it. Real Mom Life Hacks. I love you guys. Have a great day. And feel free to comment and share what are the things that you guys came up with as a family. Bye.